Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here at Lamborghini of Bellevue and I'll be taking a quick walk around of one of the most amazing SUV in the whole world, and that is the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Like, if you see this SUV alone, you will know that it's one of the best. Like, you stand next to it, like you can feel the luxury and the excitement that comes with this Rolls-Royce Cullinan, and I will be taking you closer and showing you how amazing this SUV is. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, press the bell notification icon, and like this video so that when I post my future videos like this, you'll be among the first to see it. Now let's get into it. Now, this is the Cullinan that you hear of every time, and one thing that is really amazing about this SUV is the fact that it was hand built in London, and I'll be showing you a few of the features and the interior. Yeah, so this massive SUV and most beautiful and luxurious SUV, and one thing that is really nice with this actual Rolls-Royce Cullinan is this line right here, and you can see it because this is hand drawn, and you can see that one person actually drew this line around the car. And if you go to the other side, it has the line too. This is what the back of the Cullinan is like. Beautiful lights with Rolls-Royce written in the lights. And you come down here, you have the quad exhaust. There are two exhausts in there. And you have this massive 22-inch tires. Now let me show you the interior of this SUV, and you will know why it is the king of all SUVs. And you open it, and one thing that you are going to actually notice is that the Spirit of Ecstasy is engraved, or I don't know how they made that. It's in the leather. And you come here, you have all these silver buttons. And here, look at this interior. Now this seat has like the white, the black, and the red. These are perforated seats. Beautiful seats, and the leather smells so nice. And down here you have the Cullinan boldly written out. One thing that makes this to be exceptional is this floor mat. You see, very, very soft, amazing. Like, everything about this SUV is luxury. And here you have you look inside, even on the rotary gear knob, it has the Spirit of Ecstasy there. Let me take you to the wondering what the back of a Rolls-Royce is like. This is what the back seats are like. Beautiful interior. Now, my favorite feature of any Rolls-Royce is the starlight. Those are beautiful. They are just like when you are outside and you see stars. And every of those holes, I think you can change them, was hand. Someone used their hand in poking the holes in London. That is why it cost so much. Now, if you look back there, you will notice that there is a glass that is separating the boot from the inside, and I believe that is for noise control. And you look at this leather here, that's the Spirit of Ecstasy, and this silver chrome and Rolls-Royce on the speakers. Now, you look down here, you will see like all the seat control. Got those beautiful curtains for your privacy. You don't want people to see you now. One thing that you will notice is that here you have this is for the seat. You push on that button. Oh, not the seat. And in there you have like a touch screen. This is like a tray for the back passenger, and you push on that, the screen will pop out. How amazing is that? Awesome. So let me put it back. And one thing, every time you hear of Rolls-Royce, one thing that you hear people talk about is this umbrella right here, to ensure that the owners of the Rolls-Royce do not stay in the sun or in the rain. Rolls-Royce provided an umbrella for every Rolls-Royce Cullinan owner, and that also comes with even the Phantom and every other Rolls-Royce. Here you have the beautiful digital display cluster, and you look up there, see the light. Beautiful SUV. And there you have this amazing Rolls-Royce. Now I am not going to sit in this beautiful SUV because this costs so much. This costs more than $500,000, so I'm not even going to sit in it. Now these doors, they have like a soft touch, so you can just do that. You push on it a little bit and the door will shut all the way. Now let me show you some really amazing feature of this Cullinan. Okay, you come back here. Okay, you have a camera right there.